All them hidden county liners, little mom and pop diners, keep telling big money where to go. Remember, God only made so much real estate. Tell the bank I'm gonna take it to the grave. Let's keep the red dirt roads red dirt, keep the little white church, keep keeping God first, keep dragging that plow. Keep the blue on your collar, keep the sweat on your dollar, keep the sins and the water and your roots in the ground. Keep standing tall, the hell and you know. Here's to all y'all, keep a small town small. To the ones who rock and rust on the box body truck, rev it up, keep that rubber burned down. To the ones coming home to your homecoming queen, keep making that girl's daddy proud. To all of y'all fighting for that flag, we gon' hold it down till you get back. And keep the red dirt roads red dirt, keep the little white church, keep keeping God first, keep dragging that plow. Keep the blue on your collar, keep the sweat on your dollar, keep the sins in the water and your roots in the ground. Keep standing tall, the hell and you know. Here's to all y'all, keep a small town small. Gone but not forgotten, God tell them we got them, and we know they're looking down on this town. So we gon' keep them red dirt roads red dirt, keep the little white church, keep keeping God first, keep dragging that plow. Keep the blue on your collar, keep the sweat on your dollar, keep the sins in the water and your roots in the ground. them tall, the hell and you know. Here's to all y'all, keep it small town small. We keep it small town small.
Cutting hay in a nowhere town, sun up to sundown, making that summertime money. Damn, it was hot as hell, stacking it bale by bale. Come quitting time, man, I was running. Little sweat on my shirt, little sun on my burn, little hard on that work, but it was worth it. Cause it put gas in the tank, put a little smoke in that tray, put a little feel good in our crazy, put a little fifth on ice, put a little look in her eyes. Sure bought a lot of time with my baby. Got us out on the edge of town, she'd light me up and I'd lay her down. Those nights got hotter, spending those blue collar dollars, those blue collar dollars. That dusty red clay was on my boots and my face. Still I showed up every day, praying for Friday. Putting that pedal to the floor, picking her up at the door, cashing that check at the store, and we were gone. Cause it put gas in the tank, put a little smoke in that tray, put a little feel good in our crazy, put a little fifth on ice, put a little look in her eyes. Sure bought a lot of time with my baby. Got us out on the edge of town, she'd light me up, I'd lay her down. Those nights got hotter, spending those blue collar dollars. Those blue collar dollars. Little sweat on my shirt, little sun on my burn, little hard on that work, but it was all worth it. Cause it put gas in the tank, put a little smoke in that tray, put a little feel good, and I'm crazy. Put a little fifth on ice, put a little look in her eyes. Sure bought a lot of time with my baby. Got us out on the edge of town, she'd light me up, I'd lay her down. Those nights got hotter, spending those blue collar dollars, those blue collar dollars. Those blue collar dollars.
This world comes at you like a fastball. It's all traffic backed up on some asphalt, and I'm a good old boy in a truck call, going 5 after 5 o'clock. Just sitting here cussing, coming undone, missing that small town setting sun. I need to saddle on up, let the horses run all over some little map dot. I gotta get back on a back on a back road. Hit the gas, get the glass packs, leaving black smoke, with some cash cutting through the static in my soul. Washed in windows down high, put this two-tone, two-ton, two-clean Chevy to work, and put a little dirt into this trade everywhere to be for nowhere to go. Back on a back on a back road. Maybe stop, pop a top at the county line, try to spot me a fence line drop time. Get to making my way to that way of life. Y'all with some cash cutting through the static in my soul. Washed in windows down high. Put this two-tone, two-ton, two-clean Chevy to work and put a little dirt into this trade everywhere to be for nowhere to go. Back on a back on a back road. Anywhere but where I'm at level, hit the gas pedal and fly, make a dust devil, let the dust settle and drive till the headlights light up a pine tree skyline.